In the last few videos, we have discussed Newton's first and the second law. Also, we have understood what is the relationship between them. If you have not seen yet, then click on the I button. And for more videos related to physics, subscribe my channel Discover Physics. Today, we are going to discuss Newton's third law of motion and the misconceptions related to it. Let's get started. Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. It means that if you apply force on any object, then the object will apply the same force on you in the opposite direction. But there is some kind of misunderstanding related to this law. For the law to be get valid, there are some terms and conditions. First is, this law is only valid when we consider two objects. That is, two objects are necessary for the law to be get valid. For example, suppose a box is placed on a table. Now, what are the different kinds of forces acting on it? The first is gravitational force, which is acting in the downward direction and pull the box in downward direction. Also, the perpendicular normal force in the upward direction. Now, tell me, is Newton's third law valid in this situation? The answer is no. Why? Because to apply Newton's third law of motion, there must be two objects under consideration, whereas here is only one. For example, when we walk on the ground, we exert some force on the surface of the earth. In response to that, earth is exerting an opposite force which pushes our body in the forward direction. Here, there is the interaction between the two bodies, that is, by our body and the earth's surface. The second condition is that the forces are acting on the objects must be of same type. So, in the above situation, here the gravitational force and the normal force both are completely different. Hence, the third law is not applicable for these two pairs of forces. But still, there is a pair of force which is acting between the box and the earth. How it is? Let's see. Now, earth is a spherical object and suppose a box is placed on the surface of the earth. As soon as the box is released from the particular height, the gravitational force pulls the box in the downward direction, and also the box pulls the earth towards itself in the opposite direction. And this is the condition where Newton's third law is valid. Now let us see some more examples. Also, when a bullet is fired from the gun, force is applied on the bullet in the forward direction, and in opposite direction the gun gets recoiled in the backward direction. I hope you understand Newton's third law of motion and how it works. If you think my video is helpful, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.